How to add music to an Instagram feed post. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to add music to an Instagram feed post. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram right here. And once you're in there, you can just click on this plus icon right here. So let's try to click on that. And once you're in there, you can just click on post and then click on a photo that you want to post. After that, click on next. And after that, click on next again. And then as you can see right here, you can add a remix or add a music, right? So you can just click on this add music right here. And from in there, you can just search for a music that you want to add. So for example, let's try to search for baby. And in here, you can see all of these things right here that is connected to this thing that you have searched. So for me, I will click on this one right here. Then you can select a time on this specific music that you want to add, and after that, click on this check right here. As you can see, it has been added and you can now share it to your Instagram. So let's start to share it, and as you can see right now, it is uploading. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add music to an Instagram feed post. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.